In this video, I will show you how to get Temu items without inviting friends. First, open your Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search Temu in the search bar and download the app on your mobile phone. Temu app provides different deals and discounts on products. Go to the Me option at the bottom bar of the screen. Go to the Earn Credits and Free Gifts option from the given options. You will see different credits and gifts in this option. You can click any option to earn gifts. For demonstrative purposes, I choose the option Click to Reveal to win freebies. Start picking the gifts you like. You can pick 3 gifts to win. Tap on Pick and then pick it to get the gift. You can pick only 3 products and then click on Confirm. Tap on Collect to use 100 energy and a gift. Tap on Invite Friend to get energy and copy the code. You can invite your friends to continue, or you can cancel by tapping the cross at the corner. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.